I was just coming in for a little update, and this is not my channel, this is my brother's channel. But let me just tell you one thing. I am having an Etsy slime shop, and it is JC_sells_slime. I don't have it up quite yet because I'm trying to get everything set up for it. So, yeah. And subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. And okay, so here's it's gonna work. I'm gonna have an Instagram, JC_sells_slime. Then I'm gonna have videos ASMR, like how the slime is. Then I'll have a link to my Etsy shop. Then you'll go to my Etsy shop, buy the slime and all that, and proceed to check out and all that. So yeah, bye.